Hey, what's going on guys? So today I'm really excited to share this video with you guys because the thing which I'm going to share with you in this video is just insane. Like on my YouTube channel, I have over 700 videos, but this is going to be so far my favorite video because this will blow your mind. Like as you guys already know that this is the era of AI, and after the launching of Chatgpt AI tool, all of the things online started revolutionized. So in the first version of Chatgpt, in the first stage, that was an amazing tool. When that tool launched, so it got popularity within just weeks because that was not like a search engine, but that was like a friend. Like you can actually chat with it and you can ask any question, any information, any idea, or you can use it for any purpose. But in the first stage, the input was text and output was also in the text form, right? Then last year came the second stage, which was text to image. Like you can actually input the text prompt into ChatGPT and that will convert or generate an image for you. And that image was something super and hyper realistic. Like nobody can actually tell that this image is fake or real. So I have already made many of the videos on my channel in past, like how you can use ChatGPT to make your life productive or to generate some photos or images which can actually help you in multiple cases in growing your business. Like you can do your product photography for your e-commerce business. You can let ChatGPT write the ads for you, like Instagram ads, Facebook ads or TikTok ads, or you can make a strategy. But now the third update which has just launched is literally amazing, and that is called Sora AI. So basically Sora AI is the third stage of AI in which we can actually give a prompt in text form, and in against that prompt, Sora AI can actually generate a high quality realistic video for us. And you can't even imagine how powerful this tool is. Like you can actually create any video with any text prompt input, and the use of this tool is unlimited. So basically Sora AI was announced by ChatGPT company some months ago, but that was not officially launched. But right now, last week, I can see that tool is already available in my ChatGPT dashboard, and I have been using this tool for almost 2 weeks. And after using and researching for 2 weeks, I'm making this video today for you, so you can also know like what this tool is, how you can actually use it, what it can do for you, and how it can bring your business to the next level. So this is my request to you guys, like please watch this video till the end step by step without skipping any part, because I'm going to show you every detail which will give you too much benefit in the future, right? And after watching this video, you will know how to use that Sora AI tool to generate images for your e-commerce business, for your YouTube channel, or for any kind of business you want. Like you can almost do anything. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I just go to Google and type Sora AI. So just you can actually easily navigate to that tool. So after typing that, I can see this first link says openai.com/Sora. So you can access that tool from here as well, and you can access that tool from sora.chatgpt.com as well. So let's go back on Google and just read what Google say about this. So on the left side you can see, if I zoom in, it says that Sora is a text-to-video model developed by OpenAI. The same company launched ChatGPT. So this model generates short video clips based on user prompts and also can extend existing short video. So basically you can give any text prompt to this tool and it can generate a video for you. And not only text, you can actually give a video to it and it can expand the video. For example, if you are having a video of you sitting in a car and you cannot see any background, right? So you can actually expand that video. You can expand the background of that video. So that video will be same like you are sitting in a car, but in the background, you can see mountains, you can see buildings. So in that way, you can expand the frame. But not only the frame, you can expand the video as well. Like for example, you are having 5-second video of your dog eating food. And by using the previous data of 5 seconds, it will generate the next 10-second video. So literally there are too many features. Like I'm afraid how I will teach you all of those features in this one video. So basically in this video, I'll try my best to show you all of the feature, and I'll try to make next video series on this topic as well, like some dedicated videos like how to use this tool for any specific purpose, right? So now go back on the Sora AI page, and from here you can see it's just like ChatGPT. Like at the bottom, you can see a text field where I can just write any prompt. I can see some tabs like explore, images, videos, and you can see that it can actually store our previous data or media as well. Like just like ChatGPT, it can hold your history, right? So before generating any video from my text or convert any image into video, I just want to show you, like this is the main page of Sora AI, like you can call it explore page. So you can see that there are some videos they are showing that has been generated inside this platform. Like the people who are using the Sora AI have generated these videos and they have made these videos public so anyone can see. So if I scroll down and I can check out, so you can see how realistic these videos are. Like if we just check some of them one by one, so you can see that if I open this video, so you can see that this is a fish inside a jelly. So you can see that as it is an AI tool, so you can just create the video anything beyond this world. Like if you imagine something that is not physically or practically possible in this world, but you can type the prompt in Sora AI and you can actually make it possible in this video generation tool. Because you can see that a goldfish inside a jelly is not possible, but in this video you can see. So if we go back and scroll down, so you can see that this is a rat wearing glasses and reading a book. So as you already know, this thing is not possible in real life, but here you can see that this is a super cool hyper realistic rat. Like nobody can say that it's an animation or it's a cartoon or it's an AI generated. Like if you show this video to someone who don't know about the AI, so he will get confused, like how a rat wearing glasses can read the book, right? So let's go back and check another video, then I'll show you how you can create one for yourself, right? So if I scroll down, you can see that all of the videos are magical, like they are super hyper realistic. Just like this one on the right side, you can see that it's a funny video like a John Cena character who is a wrestler, and you can see he is wearing a Barbie dress, pink color dress having wing. So in reality it's not possible, but with Sora AI it's possible. And if you zoom in and check out this video, so this video is hyper realistic, high quality, and you can just check out the detailing in this video, like how realistic it is looking, right? So if I go back and scroll down, so if you go on the same page, so without logging in, you can just check out all of these videos one by one, and you can just check how detailed, realistic and high quality video it is generating for you. Like you can see some videos of animal, some people doing weird thing which is not possible, right? So now let me show you how you can actually generate any video for you, right? So you can see if I just zoom in and if I just scroll down, so you can see that this is a text field and I can just type anything here, right? So before typing anything, I just want to show you like what are the options available here. So the first option is video. So if I click on that, so you can see that it is giving me the option to generate video or image, right? So you can either select video or image. So let's select the video here, and then in the second option you can see it is asking the video size. So right now the aspect ratio is 2:3, which is for TikTok or Instagram reel, but you can actually generate video in any format. Like if I just put 3:2, so it will generate a video in a landscape form, right? So the next option is for resolution, and the next one is for duration. So let's just keep it video 3:2, 480p and 5-second video, because if we increase the resolution and timing of that video, so it will take more time to generate, right? So let's just revert back this option as well, so we can just get the video instantly. So now first we convert any text into video, and then we'll convert any image into video, right? So let's just write any text which seems to be impossible, and then let's see how it generates a video for us, right? So let's just type generate a high quality hyper realistic video of a rabbit and a turtle enjoying lunch on a busy street of city, right? So I have just write this prompt because right now this prompt came in my mind, but you can write anything you want, like whatever comes in your imagination, you can just write here and it will generate a video for you, right? So after typing the prompt, you can just click on this generate button. So on the top right corner, you can see that this is a tab which says added in queue. So if you click on this tab, so you can see that right now it is creating one video for me. And if I scroll down, so you can see that in past week I have generated some video from this tool for my products as well, which I sell on Amazon, right? So if I just go up, so you can see that it is being queued. So it might take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the size of the video and detailing of the video, right? So as it is an AI tool, so you can see that after my prompt, it has named my video as well, like Urban Oasis Encounter. So right now it is generating 2 videos for me. So let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes and then I'll get back to you with the video when it will be generated. You can see that right now it's generated 39% and now it is 100% done. So I'm super excited to see my video which I generated from my prompt. So if I click on that, so you can see that there are 2 videos, and if I just check them one by one, so they both are super realistic and hyper realistic. Like if I just open this one, so you can see that this is a rabbit and this is a turtle, and they're basically eating lunch on the street of a busy city. Behind that we can see city, buildings, road and cars, and this rabbit and turtle are basically eating lunch. So if I just close this video and check out the second one from here, so you can see that the second one video is even more realistic because we can see the angle and the direction of this video is different and the sunlight is directly falling on the rabbit. So this is basically insane. Like you can imagine anything, you can write anything, and you can generate the video. So with the help of this, you can just create some movies, you can create some cartoons, you can use this tool in your e-commerce photography, e-commerce videography, or anything else. So if you're also excited for this tool like me, and you are having any idea in your mind like how you can use this tool apart from product videography or animation, so you can just let me know in the comment box below, like what ideas are you having in your mind to use this tool for productivity or your business. And if you want to watch some other videos on Sora AI, like how to use this tool to create content on social media, to generate the product videos for your product so you can get more and more sales, then you can watch some of my previous videos in the same playlist. So after watching this video, go there, try this amazing tool, and don't forget to share your experience with me. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.